Àmín, àmín lórúkọ Jésù.
We thank the Lord for His grace.
Màmá.
And I pray that our prayers will be answered.
Amen. Màmá, kó tó di pé a ó dánu dúró, ẹ jẹ́ ká sáré gbàdúrà fárákùnrin kan tó fi àtẹ̀jíṣẹ́ ránṣẹ́. Ó ní, I need to be delivered from cross-dressing in women clothes and underwear and perverted lustful activity. And he said he is a sinner, that you should pray for him, that God should forgive him.
Hallelujah.
Amen.
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 For the mere fact, my brother, that you know you are a sinner, has gone a long way in the journey of your salvation. And I pray that the Lord will forgive you your sins.
Amen.
To you, I've talked about endurance and patience. You don't have enough patience. Have enough patience so that you get to where God wants you to be. If you don't behave well to a woman, you will always experience the bad side of a woman. God has given women a strength that is different from all strengths. You see, when you want to give dogs food and you just raise up your rod, the dog will not come. No matter how big the meat is.
The dog will be scared.
Will be scared and run away. So whatever you do, always celebrate any woman in your life. That is what women need, celebration. And everything will be well.
Amen.
Father, in the mighty name of Jesus.
Amen.
I prayed with our brother. I soak him in the blood of Jesus.
Blood of Jesus.
All have sinned and come short to the glory of God. For God loves us, He sent His only begotten Son, that if we believe in Him, we will not perish.
Amen.
And we have eternal life.
Amen.
I pray and I bring you to the presence of our Lord Jesus Christ. Believe in Him, the power to believe in Him, the power to believe in His suffering, the power to believe in His death, the power to believe in His resurrection, the power to believe in His miraculous birth. God will give to you, my brother, in the mighty name of Jesus.
Amen.
And the Almighty God will forgive you all your sins in Jesus' name.
Amen.
And will be useful to God.
Amen.
And in the mighty name of Jesus.
Amen.
And your salvation will be permanent.
Amen.
In Jesus' name I pray.
Amen. Mama, the brother Kunle from Ologun sent a question to you that he's owing that he's facing challenges concerning his house rent, and he prayed to God, and God has done it, and it is the exact money for him to pay the house rent. And you know, they said we should always remove our tithes whenever God blesses us. Now, how is he going to do it? And the landlord is behind him, that if you did not pay, that he wants the full house rent, not half. So how is he going to do it? Can he pay the money not paying his tithe, or he can pay the tithe later?
Hallelujah.
Amen.
Your tithe is God's food. God has given us supernatural intelligence. That is why Adam named all the animals, all the living things, and God did not change the name of any. You see, everything in life depends on our wisdom. If you deduct out of this money, your house rentage money will not be complete. Okay, what you can do is this. If your faith is so strong, deduct your tithe. Pay your tithe to the right place, and you will see what God will do. If you want to pay your house rent, you are still owing God. So anytime you have the money, pay your tithe. Even what the Bible says is, we pay double. You pay your tithe, and not that we pay double, you pay interest. Don't worry, pay your tithe. If you can deduct it, if your faith carries it, deduct. If your faith does not carry it, go and pay. When you have the money, you must pay the tithe of the money that you are giving through your prayers. God bless you.
Amen. God bless you, mama. Ẹni yìí tún fi àtẹ̀jíṣẹ́ ránṣẹ́ ó ní báwo la ṣe lè ṣàwárí ẹ̀bùn tí Ọlọ́run tiẹ̀ fún wa gan-an. Ṣé mọ̀ pé ẹlòmíràn tó yẹ kó ṣiṣẹ́ dókítà tó yẹ pé iṣẹ́ dókítà lọ́lọ́run kọ́ mọ́ tó wá lọ ṣiṣẹ́ engineering báwo ló ṣe lè ṣàwárí ẹ̀bùn rẹ̀ gangan fúnra rẹ̀.
We thank God. I've said it before that anything you do that makes you happy is your talent. Ẹ máa wo àwọn tó ń kọrin yẹn. You will see that they will be in the highest mood láti dé peak because wọ́n lo talent wọn. I'm a writer. I write a lot. Anytime I pick my pen and I'm writing, I'm always free. I will relax. People will be saying ìsinmi ẹ tún kọ̀wé ìwé kíkọ ní ìsinmi mi. I said I've written 70 books. Mo dẹ̀ ti gba award tó pọ̀ lórí ìwé. It's my own talent. It's the gift God has given to me. So when you are doing something and you are happy, it's your talent. Develop it.
God bless you, mama. Ẹnìkan ní kí n sọ fún yín pé kẹ́ ẹ gbàdúrà fún ètò ìdìbò tí a fẹ́ dì ní ọjọ́ Sátidé torí pé àyà àwọn èèyàn kan tiẹ̀ ti ga báyìí pé báwo ló ṣe fẹ́ rí ṣùgbọ́n wọ́n ní tí a bá lè fi síwájú Ọlọ́run pé kí Ọlọ́run kó pẹ́ kí àlàáfíà kó wà fún ètò ìdìbò tó ń bọ̀ lọ́nà pé kẹ́ bá wa gbàdúrà kí Ọlọ́run kó pẹ̀tù sínú àwọn tó ti rò pé jàgídíjàgan ẹ̀jẹ̀ ó sàn k'Ọlọ́run bá wa pẹ̀tù sí wọn lọ́kàn.
Orúkọ Jésù.
Àmín Jésù.